Oculus query for fridge time by time to tank CNC key cutting machine. There is code on the label of the key. Click the menu Oculus. Find the vehicle Buick. Just input 4 figures. 1988. Click search. Buick is GM39. Select GM39. The picture shows how to install the key blank on the machine. Install the flat key on the right. Pay attention. Detailed operation is very important. More stable if cutting the key. If ready, click OK. Continue. Directed cut. The cutting will take almost 1 minute. Please take your time. Try to turn on the lock. Nice cutting.